Introducing the best unique green screen backdrop library, ready to be used to create any scenes in your videos, graphic, work, presentations, or any other green screen projection. So today I'm going to review the product which is Super Backdrop, which helps you in your business, helps you to get clients. So this is the product name is Super Backdrop. Here is video. So why Super Backdrop is simply super? I'll tell you. Biggest green screen backdrop library to date, with tons of thousands of the best backdrop you can find the world. The largest selection of unique green screen backdrop that will put you wherever you want to be. Comes with a green screen actor, includes with static and video backdrops, including the unique versatile visuals that are without background. Free agency license included. So let's move on. Just get Super Backdrop link in the description. Go to the description, click to the link, and just grab it. Don't think too much, just get it. I'm sure this will help you a lot for your videos creation, for your clients, and a lot more. So this is the product superbackdrop.com. So don't wait, just go to the description and grab it. So introducing the Super Backdrop. I'll tell you what is Super Backdrop. Super Backdrop is the world best humongous library of tons of thousands unique specially produced green screen background that you can use in your green screen project. Use them for video and graphic work in presentation and many more. See, Backdrop features. Four different various includes. I'll show you. This is the original version. See, each Super Backdrops come with four different visions, giving you great versatilities. So first, original version. Here you can see the image which is clear, no not blurry, no black and white, nothing. This is a clear image you can see on your screen. So this is an original vision. So go to the next vision, out of focus vision. As you can see, this is out of focus vision, which you can use in your background, video background. So let's move on, black and white version. Move on, black and white with out of focus. So this all you can use in your background on your video edit. Library of thousands of high definition video backgrounds you will get in this product. Original vision, video vision. You can see here is clear video vision, out of focus vision, massive variety of themes are available. Generic green screen actors includes. So here you can see 100 over studio quality high definition green screen actors. Here you can see how it will work. Super Backdrop plus green screen actor, and here you can see the result. Just drag and drop, very easy. So let's move on, and many more combinations. There are limitless situations you can create with this software. Here you can see, just drag and drop and final result. So don't think too much, just grab it. This will come with limited time offer. Here you can see this offer will end on to after 2 days 15 hours. So here's a Super Backdrop. I'll revise you. Access to the world best backdrop library, boosting tons of thousands unique specially produced backdrops, 1000 plus static backdrops. Each come with four different variant, thousand of video backdrops, including the thousand of versatile visuals. Come with a library of different screen actors and actress, fully agency limit license included. So now talk about prices going up. 2 days 15 hours 15 minutes. You have not enough time, you don't have enough time. So don't miss out the Super Backdrop extremely low introductory price. This is a special launch price which will not last long, and the price is going up tonight. So just go to the video description, there is a link, click to the link and grab super backdrop right now. So what is the offer? So what is the offer? This is a one time tiny affordable price. Here is a $97 price, but today I will give you just 50% off and you will get this product just only $27. Yes, just $27. So just go to the description and grab it. And this will come with 30 days money back guarantee. Yes, no one will give you 30 days money back guarantee, but this product will give you 30 days money back guarantee. So just go to the description, click to the link and grab this super backdrop and enjoy. Thank you.